Let's see how we can export cases from AIO tests. Option to export cases can be accessed by clicking More Actions icon on the cases listing page and then selecting Export Cases on the resulting menu. The Export Cases modal should appear where we can choose the export format. AIO Tests currently allows exporting cases to Excel, CSV, and PDF formats. Exporting cases without selecting any filters will export all the cases. However, if filters are applied on the grid, then only the filtered cases will be exported. Let's export in an Excel format first. Let's also export in a PDF format. Let's look at our exported Excel. This is how the exported Excel looks like. As we can see, each case can span multiple rows, where each step of the case is displayed in its own row. Note that any rich text formatting is not available on the exported files. Let's look at our exported PDF now. There is an index available where all the cases are available. Each case starts on its own page. Clicking on the case link on the index takes you to the page where case details are present.